collecting lovers like butterflies, illusion of the first flies are slowly wearing thin. Oh Susie baby, you are a good to me, giving love unselfishly, but you took it too seriously. I guess it had to be. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide my fear. What kind of fool was I? I could never win, never win, never win.